Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these, and what this is I'll show you in a second. I'll open it up. It's the L2671. Let's see, here we go. Put it on this side. And you can see this, it comes in a bunch of bubble wrap. And let me get it out of here. And then inside the bubble wrap is a little Ziploc, and it's got two different sizes here. You can see these are a bunch of little neodymium magnets, like those little tiny magnets, but look how tiny these are. These are ridiculously small. So let's see what these look like here. Let's take this out, and I'll show you. These are super small, so these will be good for some of my 3D printing projects and stuff, but I want to show you guys it and show you how strong they are. So this is a stack of a few of them. Let me see if I can just get one. Boy, it's hard to just get one. Okay, I think I got just one here. You probably can't even see it. But if I wanted to use it, like to say, to hang out this receipt on the refrigerator, I can just put it there. And look how strong that is. It holds up a receipt on the refrigerator, and it's gonna stay on there pretty good. So these are cool little magnets, and that's the smallest one. Let me see what the other bigger one is. Because I bought a bunch of sodas on the receipt here. Sodas and wine. So here's the bigger one. So I'll show you, I'll put these two next to each other, and then you can see the two difference in size. So these are them here, and you can see there's a little bit of a bigger one and a smaller one. I don't know how many of each there are. There's a whole bunch. There's probably 25 or so of these, and a whole lot more of these. So these are the smaller ones and the bigger ones. So these are cool. I love having little magnets. Not necessarily going to use it to put them on the fridge, but use them for other places. But thumbs up from me, and links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.